Okay, class, today we have a pop quiz.
Gosh, look how pretty she is. Is that the new lip kit?
Girls, no phones. Girls, no talking. Do you want to get an F? Yo, yo, yo! Who are you homies?
What's on our heads? Who are
Mathy
you?
V Graphs?
I'm Mathy V Graphs.
She kind of looks like our math teacher. She does.
Excuse me?
Do we know you? Why are you here? Where are we?
Do you want to learn how to graph?
I mean, that's what our test was on. Sure.
Yeah, why not?
Alright kids, first step in learning slope-intercept form is learning the formula. Repeat after me. Y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b.
You got it.
That does sound kind of familiar.
Yeah, I've heard it somewhere.
So as Mathy V Graphs said, first step in learning slope-intercept form is learning the formula. Graphing is based off an equation known as y equals mx plus b. Now let's identify each part. M represents the slope of the equation. The slope is represented as rise over run. The slope is the steepness of the line. A positive m value would result in a positive slope, and a negative m value would result in a negative slope. B represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where a line crosses over the y-axis. Let's refer back to our original equation and try to solve some example equations. Let's begin with y equals 2x plus 4. Notice that the m value is positive, resulting in a positive slope. Remember that b is the y-intercept where a line crosses over the y-axis, and in this case it is 4. So 4 is where the line crosses over the y-axis. Now we know how to identify each part. Let's graph the equation. Begin by making a point where the y-intercept lies. Now that we have a beginning point, we can graph other points by using the slope. Because the slope is positive 2, you need to move 2 units down and 1 unit to the left. Now that we have our newly plotted point, we can continue plotting more points. Now that we've plotted all the points, we can draw a smooth line connecting all of them. Don't forget to draw arrows to show that the lines are continuous. Let's move on to our next equation of y equals 2x minus 4. Notice that this time we have a negative b value, resulting in a negative y-intercept. We know that the y-intercept is negative 4, so we can plot a point. The slope is again positive with a value of positive 2. We can again plot most of our points by knowing the slope. Don't forget to draw your line and end it with an arrow to show that it is continuous. Let's move on to our final equation of y equals negative 2x plus 4. Notice that the m value is negative, resulting in a negative slope. Let's begin by plotting the y-intercept at positive 4. Because the slope is negative, the line will go from left to right instead of right to left. With our plotted points, we can now draw a connecting line. Again, this line is continuous, meaning it has infinite solutions. Now we're going to learn how to find the y-intercept and the slope when we're given the values of x and y. The y-intercept is the y value when x equals 0. As shown here, the y value is 4 because its corresponding x value is 0. As shown here, 4 is y2, 0 is y1, 0 is x2, and 2 2 is x1. Simplify the equation by dividing 4 by 2. Your final slope should be positive 2.
I think I get it now.
Yeah, me too.
Thanks so much, Mathy V Graphs.
Thank you.
Anytime, kids. I hope you had a fun time in math land. Girls, wake up. You have a test to take.
Sorry.
Do you want detention?
No.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
I have your test scores from yesterday, and they're very good, surprisingly.
Mathy V Graphs.
You scream for the right team. Got a little swag, Mr. Come attached, you already know. Teams with the sour patch. Catch me at the mall on the second floor bowling.